How to fix Instagram story problem? First thing, open the settings, and second, go to the apps. When you open the apps now, all what you want to do is scroll until you find the Instagram app. When you find Instagram, now all what you want to do is click on it. Click on this for stop and go to the data user. Disable all these options and enable them back again. Go back and click on storage. Now click here on clear data and clear cache. Go back to the home page, open these settings again, and this time go to the wireless add networks. Enable the airplane mode for 4 seconds or 3 seconds. After that, disable it. Now the problem must be solved. If it's not solved yet, then this means that you may have to remove Instagram from your phone, or you have problem with the network. So don't forget to like, subscribe.